I'm in Salvador, Brazil, a place where parties are just the thing that people do, and it's carnival. So right now everybody is out getting ready and set up for the big event, and I am so inspired because I am in a playground of fun, gazing at the ocean, running up and down the hills of the beach and the coastline, and it's just an amazing place. So I have some inspiring moves that make me want to get my body moving. So these are for your abs, your core, and everything else. So you're going to come up. I'm going to repeat that cycle to work my abs, do a little cardiovascular in between with some intervals, and then I'm going to be on my way, running up and down the coast again to Maria in Salvador, Brazil, where it's worth it to sweat, anywhere, anytime.